Kia ora!
Malolele, it's Sil
And Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes,
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
Alright, we have 3 clues right here beside us that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today.
Can you help us out with the clues, please? Nice. Thank you.
Alright, let's start at the top here. Clue tuatahi. Do you know what this is? Ai, ka pai. It's a pōkeko.
Clue tuarua, right here. Do you know what it is? Nice. It's a rako, a tree.
Alright, clue tuatoru. Our final clue is sitting right here beside us. Super cute. Do you know what this is? Ai, ka pai. It's a kiwi. We've got all 3 clues. We have a pōkeko, a tree, and a kiwi.
I think I know which song we're going to sing. It's our song, 5 Little Birds.
It is. So come along with us as we go for a walk through the forest and meet our 5 little friends.
Let's count to toru. We'll click our fingers and we'll head over and sing the waiatatea together. Tahi, rua, toru.
Walking through the forest and what do I see? 5 little birds sitting in a tree. One flew over to talk to me. I wonder who could it be? My name is Pōkeko. I have a red beak, blue and black feathers on my back. It's time for me to say no more. How many birds are left in the tree? 1, 2, 3, 4. Walking through the forest and what do I see? 4 little birds sitting in a tree. One flew over to talk to me. I wonder who could it be? My name is Hoodoo. I'm the little night owl. I sing all day long. It's time for me to say no more. How many birds are left in the tree? 1, 2, 3. Walking through the forest and what do I see? 3 little birds sitting in a tree. One flew over to talk to me. I wonder who could it be? My name is Kia. I have green and yellow feathers. I'm a pretty cheeky bird. It's time for me to say no more. How many birds are left in the tree? 1, 2. Walking through the forest and what do I see? 2 little birds sitting in a tree. One flew over to talk to me. I wonder who could it be? My name is Tui. I'm the passing bird. I sing all day long. It's time for me to say no more. How many birds are left in the tree? 1. Walking through the forest and what do I see? 1 little bird sitting by the tree. It walked over to talk to me. I wonder who could it be? My name is Kiwi. I have a really long beak. I don't fly around at all. It's time for me to say no more. How many birds are left in the tree? None. Walking through the forest and what do I see? No little birds sitting in a tree. I wonder if they'll come back to talk to me. Maybe next time we will see.
hope you enjoyed coming into the forest and meeting our 5 little friends today.
Which one was your favourite?
Oh, I love that. Alright, he wā Hokinga Mahara. It's time to remember some of those bird names that we learned today. Here's our first manu, our first bird. Starts with the sound P. Pō, pōkeko.
Our next bird starts with the sound R. Ru. Ruru.
Our next one starts with the sound K. Ke. Kea.
Our next bird starts with the sound T. Tu. Tui.
And our last bird starts with the sound K again. Ki. Kiwi. Right here next to me. Hey, thank you for coming with us and meeting all of our wee friends in the forest. We hope you enjoyed learning their names. Let's go sing our goodbye song together.
Goodbye, everybody. It's time to go. Goodbye, everybody. We'll miss you so. Ka kite anō, we'll see you soon. Goodbye, hei konei rā. Goodbye, hei konei rā.
Kia ora. Make sure to like and subscribe down below so that you can watch my mum and auntie's videos. Loopy Tunes!